Lopez-Quinteros v. Garland out of the First Circuit on December 13th, 2024. It's just, I love the case because it essentially stands for the proposition that even if you got one of these gang-based asylum cases where the gang from Central America or the gang is extorting the husband, that's like so often what's happening, right? Even if that's not viable, it's not happening for the right reasons, not on account of any political opinion, particular social group, religion, etc. Even if that's not the case, if that gang then turns their sights on the spouse or the child, for example, of that husband, you might have an asylum claim. You might have a family-based asylum claim, particular social group. That is what Lopez-Quinteros v. Garland stands for. That is what happened. That is why there was a remand. And let me get the quote for you.
What circuit?
Now, whether the alleged persecution is family-based ultimately must depend under the extent to which the record shows that the family status of the targeted person drove the decision to target that person as a means of obtaining money that the targeted person had no legal obligation to hand over, end quote, i.e. extortion. If they think the husband is rich or has money because the husband's got family in the U.S. or because the husband owns a business, blah, 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 the husband refuses to give up the money, and then they target the wife, as happened here, not because they wanted that wife to give them money because they think the wife has money, but in an effort to pressure the husband. The First Circuit is saying you very well might have a particular social group nexus and an asylum claim. And oh, by the way, the husband, of course, can be the derivative beneficiary on the wife's case in that circumstance. And so cases like this, very important. Lopez-Quinteros v. Garland goes against
What circuit?
some of the decisions that have been coming out of the board of late on family-based particular social groups, including under Attorney General Garland's BIA, but Circuit trumps BIA.
Which circuit court is this?
This was the First Circuit.
Okay.
But there are similar cases out of the Fourth and the Ninth offhand, but this one's pretty direct. Pretty direct. This was pretty explicit. The husband doesn't have a claim. We understand the gang just wants money. The wife still might have a claim. That's a big deal.